Hi, I want to show you how to install the newest firmware on your time-lapse camera. First, you have to go to our website and download the most recent firmware file. I already have done this on this computer, and you see there is a file called firmware.cd. I have to connect the camera via USB to the computer, and as you can see, the light goes white and an external device shows up. Next, I have to drag and drop the file onto the device and then unmount the device. Now I can unplug it and turn it off. Let's turn it back on. Push the button until green and it will start capturing. To initiate the installation of the new firmware file that's on it now, I have to push the button again for 2 seconds and let go. As you can see now, the light is blue, and it will have several colors flashing for about 40 seconds until the firmware installation is complete. As soon as the light goes dark, there's no further lights left. As of now, I can connect the camera again to the computer, and to complete the new firmware installation, I access the device and remove the files that are still on there that we don't need any longer. In this case, there is still a copy of firmware that wasn't deleted automatically. Sometimes it will. The log file, the settings file, and the snapshot folder we will remove if they're all there. Doesn't necessarily have a snapshot folder any longer. If you want to keep the settings that you had in your settings ini file, please make a backup before deleting. I delete all these files, I unmount the camera, and the new firmware should now be installed. I can unplug it. It's still yellow in this mode, which is what we call the setup mode. I can now turn it off by pushing the button until I see red and let go, and the device is off. With the newest firmware, when you turn it on, it will flash 5 times green to indicate to you that the time-lapse capture mode has started. So I push the button until green, let go, and then we'll see 5 green flashes and another one to tell us that the first photo has been taken. So green, let go, 5 green flashes, and it's running now. Depending on what the interval was set, it'll take a while to for the next green flash to appear. If I want to exit the time-lapse mode that I just started, I push the button again until I see green light again. Let go, flashes 5 times red as an indicator that time-lapse mode has stopped, and now we are back into the setup mode, which is the yellow light. With the setup mode now, I can plug it in my computer to read the data, or I can access the device via the Wi-Fi access point to configure it, or I can just shut it off by pushing the button again until I see red. Now we're off. Once again, I'll push the button till I see green. Device comes on, flashes 5 times, and here was another time for it actually took a photo this time because the clock was ready to take a photo. If I want to exit the time-lapse mode, push it again, let go, 5 times red, time-lapse mode was left, now we're in setup mode, and I just want to stop, off. That's it. You installed the new firmware and also learned about the new behavior of the LEDs to make it easier for you to know when time-lapse mode was entered and left. Thank you.